Hello friends and welcome to my channel Instant Nerd. Today we will learn how to use ChatGPT to draft outreach campaigns. So first of all, open your browser and make sure that you are logged in to your ChatGPT account. So now over here, we will be writing our prompt to draft our outreach campaign. In this particular session, I am drafting the campaign for website development. So I'll be writing the prompt, create an outreach campaign draft regarding the website development. Include that website development is done using different platforms like WordPress, Webflow with affordable pricing. Also mention a CTA's call to action at the bottom of the campaign. Now hit enter. Now wait for a while. Here you go. Now ChatGPT is drafting the campaign. Here you can see it has also mentioned the subject line, let's build your website fast, affordable and powerful. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe to our channel.